How to save photo as DNG on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom, this is the home page as you can see. Now choose the photo, for example, that you edited and you wanted to save it as DNG. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now go to the top here and click on this share option. Now all what you have to do is click on export as. After you click export as, it will take you to this page. Now go to the file type, click here and choose DNG. Now you can edit more options here, and after you finish, click save and it will be saved as DNG. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.